So this is a fava bean plant. A fava bean plant is a legume, and legumes are classically considered beans, but also they are nitrogen fixers. And it's not so much the plant that's the nitrogen fixer, but the little bacteria that the plant's root systems attract. So let me show you how tall this is. This was pulled out of the ground before it started to flower and make fava beans. So it's a big, beautiful plant, at least probably about almost a meter tall. And if we lay it down, I'd like to show you its roots. Beautiful. So we just pulled this out of the ground, and its root system is fascinating. These are just standard roots. Roots will talk with fungus that are in the ground to help get all of the nutrients from some of the other little living creatures that are in the soil. But the thing about, hey Mackie, thank you. The thing about these roots is these. Take a good look. You see all these little spheres on these roots. There's more. They're really all over the place. You can see all these little circles. Some of them are a little heart-shaped. Oops, let's turn this over. Look at this cluster. Isn't that interesting? So what these are little apartment complexes that this fava bean plant produces that attracts a whole bunch of excellent bacteria to the root system. So the root system of the plant is providing some sugar for these bacteria, and in turn, these bacteria can take atmospheric nitrogen and turn it into something usable that other bacteria and these plants can use, because the nitrogen in the atmosphere is way, 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 way tightly bonded. You got a triple bond holding those two atoms of nitrogen together, and that is something that plants can't do anything about. But bacteria can completely process that. These little powerhouses are called nodules, and I want you to think of them as little apartment complexes for incredibly super strong bacteria that fix nitrogen.